I hope we need to start project today, I guess, right? Yeah, good. Jupyter I done, right? Did you try Jupyter? Okay. Yeah, I have started yesterday. I mean, kind of some small quick introduction. So we done with, okay, sorry, sir, let me create running notes. How come I forget? '59, running notes number 59. And, EDA project part 1. Let us divide this one part 1, part 2, part 3. 5. Previously I have covered PANDAS. I covered, sir. What I covered actually? PANDAS over. PANDAS over. Today, EDA project 1. Okay, cool. If anyone is asking today, Daniel, what is a prerequisite to understand this project actually? Definitely there should be a prerequisite. Yeah, prerequisite to understand this project. So simple, the first prerequisite is the Python, the next prerequisite is a, that's it. If you know these two, you are good enough to, start learn actually. Good. Back to the session. The full form of EDA is a explanatory data analysis. These are all things I have covered actually. And the client will give the data. Client will give the data. So we need to create a data frame. And by using that data frame throughout the project, we need to do analysis. We need to do what exactly? Analysis. And for your kind information, we are going to take the data. This data is called as this data we have taken from the company. This data I didn't create it actually. It's not like I have created this one. It was not like that. And these are all column names I will show you. Now here I have stopped yesterday. So make a note on this one. Results from EDA. Results from, just I have listed out only few, but there is a lot we are going to do actually. Highest number of orders from this specific country. So this is a kind of some international company. E-commerce, which is what exactly? Let us take Amazon company. What company, sir? It is international. I mean to say different countries it is available. When it comes to Amazon, in India also they are getting the business, and US also they are getting business, UK also, Canada, so everywhere, from everywhere they are getting the business actually. End of the month, every month they wanted to know what is the last month, which country they done more transactions, which country. The next one, from which country we got a more money, from which country we got what exactly, sir? More money. The next one will be top 5 countries, highest number of orders. Top 5 countries, highest money spent actually. What is the next one? Highest sales and one more time. Let me tell you in 2024, the moment once December 31st is done, next to January 1st, Amazon CEO have the report actually. That report it's something like, which month more sales. Chappan sir? Yeah, which month more sales actually, right? So can I open the project actually? You can see, though this is the real time data, and you can just have to see real values actually. This one is a UK, right? What data set? UK country. Now the project template looks like this. Let me take the template. Come on. Yeah, good. So this is the template. This one is the heading and this one is the cell we need to run. This one is the heading, cell we need to run. You can ignore the heading. Heading I have given just for your better understanding actually. Right. These are all things we are going to work. But read everybody this one. Read everyone, sir. Highest to sales and let me show you. Sometimes visualization really matters. Instead of number, visualization really matters. You can scroll down, down. I will show you one small image which talks with you. Okay, these are all PANDAS operations. Get ready. Project wise, we are doing these are all. We are almost near. Wow, this one is the data. This one is the data. This is called as a think like bar graph. What graph? Bar graph. So this one is December 2010, January 2011, February 2011. Respectively, the last one is a December 2011. Sir, these are all respective month sales actually. Can I ask a question? Which month more sales? Talk with me. This is the real time data. Okay. The country name is the UK. And in November, this company got a more sales actually. Good. They got what exactly? More sales on November. They recognized it actually. Next counter question. Why more sales actually? Appudu November ekku sales ani cheppam kada. Why more sales? Do let us know actually. That is a point. Yeah. Why more sales? Talk with me. Enduku sales ekku untayi November lo? Come again. Exactly, sir. See, let me tell you. When you are reaching November, you know what? There are lot of events actually. First one, year ending sales. What sales? Next one will be the Christmas sales actually. The next one is a Black Friday. What exactly? Man, these are all different kind of offers they will release. Even if anyone having a thought here on April, if you wanted to buy any product actually, I'm sure he can wait till November actually. Why? Because you will get really cost effective. So the very minimal cost you will get actually. That's the reason. So on November more sales, more offers actually, then people will wait. That's why November more sales actually. Then next one, company owner will understand next upcoming November more sales actually, get ready with the products. Indirectly this graph is giving an idea. This is already happened. Now let us target 2025 year. November is not yet overdone, right? They all ready with what exactly now? We have to get a good sales. We have to get what exactly mean? Good sales. Meeku ardhamayinda sir? That's what. Which month less sales actually? December 2000. Okay. So why less actually? Think like here onwards what we need to do, imagine along with that result, you need to tell the reason. You need to tell. That's called data analysis actually. Best example, you got a good marks. Why you got good marks? Because you prepared very well actually. You got a less marks. Why you got a less marks? You watched YouTube actually instead of preparation. Am I right or not, sir? Yeah, same thing like that. For everything there is a root cause. That root cause we need to identify actually. On December, why less sales? People are busy with the festivals. People are busy with festivals, kind of some celebrations, year ending, they're planning actually, so they're planning. Good. More to the next one. This graph you are going to draw. Get ready. This is called as a data visualization. Next one, there are no transactions between dates. This is quite interesting. There are no transactions in specific days. We'll get a data and we'll see actually. Cheppandi sir, sales increase day. What exactly? Sales increase day. The next one, sales decrease day. We'll do one thing. Day wise transactions also you can see. You can just try to come, you can just try to look at the data. Wow. This is, think like last to 1 year data. When I say last to 1 year, think like 2024. In 2024, the total Mondays, 2024 total Tuesdays, 2024 total Wednesday actually. Out of all these one, Monday, this is the sales, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. By looking at this one, you can easy to understand which day more salesmen? Thursday. Good. Why Thursday? Cheppandi. Thursday more sales, right? In UK company, Amazon especially, why Thursday more sales actually? Can I tell the reason? So simple. Let me tell you. There are some certain companies. Out of 10, I can say minimum 4 to 5 companies actually. The working days will be 4 days only. Working days will be. For us, weekend starts from Friday. But for some certain countries, weekend starts from Thursday. So generally, all employees during weekend, they can pick the more items actually. Meeku ardhamayinda ledha sir? Hope you understand. Thursday, it's kind of, maybe the day is going to end for kind of some fourth day actually. That day, they would like to pick the item actually. They would like to enjoy with the item. One more point. By looking at this, you can easy to understand the sales are being increasing from Monday to Thursday. Ardhana sir. See, Monday sales is this one and Tuesday sales is this one. Wednesday sales is this one. Thursday. It is increasing gradually. Chappandi? Increasing. This is something like 100 sales, 120 sales, 140 sales, 160 sales. Now suddenly what happened, sir? During weekend, less business actually. During weekend, now that picture is talking about your business. That's the power of data visualization. Think like total Amazon sales. Do you want it to talk actually? Just a matter of one picture. The total 5 lakhs rows actually. How many rows, man? 5 lakhs rows. Reading one by one, too difficult. Convert into visualization. Transform into visualization. Easy to understand. We are going to do. Sir, there is one day no transactions. What is that day? Saturday. I'm sure maybe there are two reasons. Saturday no data. It is highly impossible. E-commerce company, they should run the business 24/7. I mean to say, 24/7, 7. I mean, almost every day they need to do the business actually. I'm sure there are two reasons here. Either company is not giving Saturday data to the client actually. Otherwise, company announced Saturday is what exactly mean? Holiday. Saturday is what exactly? Holiday actually. Maybe any one of the reason. We are going to do a lot actually. Meeku ardham avutunda what I am talking with you. Highest number of orders per what exactly? So and so hour would have a more transaction. We can talk more, man. Data set explanation. So there is a first column name is invoice number, a number assigned with what exactly each transaction. Next one is a stock code, product code. Next one, description, product name, quantity, invoice date, unit price. Talk with me. Unit price, customer ID, country. These are all we do have. This is the small kick introduction. Now we are entering into the project actually. Good. So look at my screen, everybody. What I'm planning, the project discussion start. Starts from here. Please make a note. What exactly I'm doing is, first point. Let me use existing project template. Existing project, what exactly mean? Template. I will run the code. I will run what exactly, sir? Code parallelly. I will run the code what exactly mean? Parallel actually. Parallel. Oh, please make a note on this one. So let me run the code actually. So first to create a Jupyter. First to create a Jupyter actually. Good. Let me create. I hope how to create a Jupyter. Tell me. Open command prompt. Then we need to run a command. Command name. Ayyo, chappan sir. Project today only we have to execute. It hits the browser automatically. For me, it is open Google Chrome, that is okay. For you, it may open Edge actually. Edge or Internet Explorer, that is still okay. Am I right or not, sir? Yeah, good. So after this one, what I need to do, talk with me. New. And do you think I need to close this one actually? No, please don't close this. Now you can just have to come on, click on new. And here you can just have to click on this one actually, yeah. The moment when you hit that button, it open the new window automatically. And here I can talk with you part number 1. What exactly, sir? Maybe today we started a project, part number 1, rename. We'll see today how many steps we are going to perform actually. Good. We have it. These are all cells. I need more cells actually. Keep your cursor here. Click on. Almost how many cells would you have? 4 cells. Each cell we can run one by one actually. Yeah, good. Now I'm planning to use template. Go back. I'm planning to use existing template. Yesterday I explained how to install Jupyter, sir. Do we need Anaconda if Jupyter is installed using command line actually? Good. Even somebody asked yesterday also. Let me tell you, Jupyter, you will get in a two ways actually. Jupyter software, you will get in a two ways. The first one you can install locally. You can install locally. That's what we done actually. The next one, if you install Anaconda, then automatically Jupyter is available. Anaconda I can talk later actually. Anaconda I can talk later. Siddiq sir, hope I answered your question. But as of now, I have done this point. Many people are not aware. Oh, we can install Jupyter in local actually. Yeah, we can do that. If you install Anaconda in your machine, your system will become little slow. Your system will become, because Anaconda is a kind of some what exact, heavyweight software. Heavyweight software. One of our teammate, Daniel, your voice is breaking actually. Is it? What about others? One of our teammate is telling my voice is breaking. What about others? Siddiq sir, Jyoti ma'am, thank you for responding. Okay, thank you. Then let them, let them rejoin actually. Good. You can just have to come here, open EDA project. This one. First of all, this one is the HTML file. What file? HTML file actually. You can just have to open this one. Open this one. Yeah, you can just have to separate this one. I wanted to separate this window actually. Good. Here onwards, I can swap from here to here to here, so that I can look at this one, I can take this one and I can run this one. I will explain. I can take this line and I will run this one. I can explain. Like that we are going to move on. Are you ready? Good. How to give a heading I can talk later. We can give that heading actually. Now the first line is what exactly, sir? What is the first line? Any idea? Importing the required library. What is the first step? Importing the required library. Okay, take this step. Step number 1. Here onwards quite interesting. Importing the required libraries. Daniel, what libraries you are importing? I'm importing Pandas and NumPy. I'm importing what exactly mean? Pandas and NumPy. Come on, you can just have to come here. You can just have to take this one. Let us just have to import actually. Let us take these two line. Control Z, take this two line. Team, are you getting? Now after you keep the import pandas as a PD, import numpy as a NP, what I need to do, click on run. Then this cell supposed to be run actually. Good. Let me tell you, the moment once you install pandas, numpy by default it is available. What is a numpy? Upcoming topic I can talk later. Upcoming topic I can talk what exactly mean later actually. Later. Good. The next one will be what is the next one? Loading the data set. Some new point you are going to learn actually. New point you are going to learn. Loading the data set. Tim, I have a small point for you. To load the data set, what is the existing syntax? Talk with me. Now the file name is what exactly, sir? The file name is data.csv. What is the file name? How to load in pandas? Talk with me. df equals to pd dot read underscore csv. Read underscore what exactly? csv. Here we need to provide data dot csv. Here is small interesting point. What is the point? Yes, exactly. Go to the code. The same, almost similar, 99%. df equals to pd dot read underscore csv, data dot csv. Go back to the date and time. I explained one keyword argument. Keyword argument name is a parse underscore dates. One keyword argument. But Daniel, this keyword argument you didn't explain. That's what I kept a few things for project discussion actually. Now the point will be, the keyword argument name is a encoding. What is the keyword argument name? Talk with me. Encoding. There are some ISO standards. There is some ISO tag we do have actually. Daniel, what is this? Let me tell you. Can you tell me the Apple spelling actually? Apple spelling chaptara? Seriously I'm asking. Tell me. This is from India. In India, what is Apple spelling? Apple actually. But let me tell you some of other countries actually. Some of what exactly? Other countries. Whenever you're asking about the Apple, do you wanted to see what is Apple spelling actually? Hold on. You can just have to, if you give me 1 minute, I will show practically. Python ISO. I need one minute. I would like to show you practically. So if you spare 1 minute, I will show you what exactly I'm searching for. You know, we're almost near. Encoding equals to ISO. Same, only we got it previously also. No, sir. But anyway, I wanted to show practically, but that example is not coming. Maybe that example, it is available in Stack Overflow, I'm sure on this. What I'm trying to explaining, you know, if you take Apple, there are some special characters. It's okay, it's okay. There are some, what exactly, you know, sir, special character. The special characters exactly may looks like this actually. Did you know this one actually? I need a response from you. I wanted to show you that. That's what I'm searching for that example. Let me tell you. In India, if you are saying Apple, this is the spelling. But let me tell you some other countries. When you're talking about alphabets, along with that alphabet, some special characters, it will come automatically. Special characters, it will come. So think like, but you know, we are working in a project. That too, the project is we have to execute in a unique code actually. Hey Daniel, I don't want this kind of symbol. I wanted to maintain unique actually. We lost internet connectivity. Online team, is my voice is clear? Online team, come on, somebody talk with me. Okay, 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 good. We are good to go. Hey Daniel, whenever you are loading the data set, I wanted to make it unique case actually. ISO, follow the ISO standard. Then I don't want this special character. Then you have to use one syntax. That syntax is called as what exactly, you know, sir? Encoding equals to ISO, some number you need to provide actually. Meeku ardhamayinda sir ippudu? Right, let us take this point. This is the point actually. Successfully, the data frame is created. Go back and here you can see actually. Here you can just, let us just try to leave every cell so that it will be more clear for you. You can just, I can take this code. I can just try to keep here actually. Let us run this one. Now let me run this one. Guess the output. Output చెప్పండి సార్ ఏమొస్తుంది? If you guys really done practice by this time, you should guess automatically. You will get an error. Error name is a, why? Because file is not there. File is what exactly? Not there actually. Don't forget the base and fundamentals actually. Okay, okay, back to the session. Copy the file. What is the file name, sir? Chappandi? You can just have to copy this. Copy this. Where I need to copy? Inside coding folder. We are good. Now let us run. Takes a lot of time. Let me run this cell actually. Let me run this cell. Yeah. Now I'm rerunning. Once you rerun this one, now automatically the error will be gone actually. Star symbol indicates to running the backend. Sir, data frame is created. What is created? Data frame is created actually. Go back to the template. I will follow this template actually so that you will get an idea. Somebody is asking a question. Siddiq sir, very good question. That we can, why? Because you know, we can do later. Siddiq sir is asking, Daniel, why you are not providing parse underscore dates actually? As of now, our operations is not date related operation. Once we entered into date related operation, we can work on actually. Is it okay for you? Chappan sir? All right. Come on, let's move on. Tim, let me tell you. Whenever you are creating a data frame, instead of df, you can provide a kind of some domain name underscore data also you can provide. This is still valid example. This is still valid example actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Good. Move to the next one. Hey, I wanted to find out the number of rows and columns. How to find out? Very good. I'm sure you can feel kind of some pandas revision actually. df dot what exactly, no sir? Shape attribute we need to call. Very good. I'm sure by this time By this time, if anyone don't know shape attribute actually, trust me, for you, pandas revision is required. What is required? Stop executing project. Go to the pandas and do the revision. Today itself actually. Why? Because if you don't know shape attribute, too difficult actually. df dot shape attribute. Yeah, good. Wow. Sir, what is the result? Chiptara? What is the result? 5,41,000 plus, 909 actually. Almost 909. I can say one thing, more than 5 lakhs records. More than, there is a one CSV file, that CSV file having 5 lakhs records actually. The total 5 lakhs records belongs to, what is the period actually? 1 year. Chapan sir? 1 year. We are good to go. Daniel, this one is an output. Let's capture this. Move on to the next step. What is the next step actually? Yeah, good. Access the first 5 rows. How to access? Next one. We'll see. Access the five rows. How to access? We are good to go. We can just try to come here. Here we need to apply. DF dot. Why I'm leaving every cell, you can feel okay, some gap so that you can easy to understand. That's what I'm leaving actually. There is no jantra mantar. Okay. We can just try to come here. You need to call a method. Method name is a head method actually. Come on. Let us just try to pass here. Yeah, very good. Very good, man. Let us spend here some time. Let us spend here some time. Good. This one is a data frame. I hope you know. Whenever you are calling head method, it returns the top 5 rows. It returns. What is the first column name? Invoice number. Next one, stock code. Next one, description, quantity, invoice date, unit price, customer ID, country. By reading the name of the column, you should sense automatically, definitely name of the columns we need to rename. It is not in a unique order actually. It is not in, somewhere we have seen uppercase, lowercase, the two words are mixing together actually. Words are mixing, what exactly mean? Did you understand? Yeah, that we are going to work actually. I hope you know how to rename the columns. Am I right? Yeah, good. Daniel, I wanted to see the bottom 5 rows actually. Then you need to call a method. Method name is a tail method. What method, sir? Tail method actually. Tail method. Any currently studying students actually, pursuing students? When exams, man? Exams, అంటే సెమిస్టర్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ ఉంటాయా మీకు? ఎప్పుడు సార్? మేనా? మే, ఓకే. మీకు సార్? మార్చ్. ఓ మార్చ్. విచ్ వన్? బీటెక్ ఫైనల్ ఇయరా? ఓకే, good. Let's continue. So how you are managing then? Really very good. Like you are parallelly studying and you are learning course, I guess actually. Good. Jayesh in April, May actually. Very good, sir. Good. Back to the session. Daniel, let us just try to get the top. What exactly, sir? You can just try to come here. Access first 5 rows, access last 5 rows. What operation? Fourth operation. Access first 5 rows. How to access such a df dot head method. Is it okay? Can I maintain like this so that you can easy to understand what is going on? Kada? Operation number 5. Access last 5 rows. I mean to say, till now, what are all things I have done, What are all things I have done, What happened? Oh, good catch. Go back, these are all operations we done. First one is importing required libraries. Next one, loading the data set. Third one, number of rows and columns. The next one, access first 5 rows. Access. Good. I'm sure, are you feeling revision about the pandas actually? That's what we have to feel. Nothing is there. Daniel, the next operation, you can just have to open the template and here the code is available. Displaying the total columns from the data set actually. How to display? Yeah, columns attribute you need to call. What attribute? Columns attribute. Operation number 6. I need your help. I may ask occasionally, I need your help actually. Then here you need to call df dot columns attribute. Df dot what attribute? Columns. If column name is wrong, yeah, attribute error. You can just have to come here. Create more cells. You can call this. Yeah, చూడండి. These are all name of the column. Invoice number, stock code, description, quantity, invoice number. See, these are all we know. I wanted to print one by one column. How to print? Very good. So for call in df dot columns, print call. What exactly mean? Call. Kind of some column. See, we are getting one by one column. We are getting one by one column actually. I have seen one query from online. What is that? Sir, can I know when you are starting the pandas and PMS? Just now, boss, I can announce. Maybe currently, so the topic is quite different. There is upcoming topic. I got a one private question from one of our teammate. I'm talking with actually. I can upload. I can update in future. Okay. Back to the session. Exactly. Getting all columns. How is the template, sir? You can easy to understand by looking at this one. Can I get a response from you? Good. And getting all columns one by one, you need to apply for loop actually. Sir, any idea what is this? Renaming. To rename column names. Yeah, we have to rename. Why? Because the column names are not following unique case. It is not a unique case. Somewhere I am seeing capital letter, the word is kind of some joining together actually. It is not a good practice. Then you have to apply rename. To apply rename, we need to call a rename method. But before calling the rename method, prepare a dictionary. Prepare. Dictionary contains keys and value. Key should be existing column name. Value should be new column name. Good. You should know this point. You should ever actually. Renaming columns, Daniel actually. Okay. Renaming columns. And this operation number. It's okay. It's okay. Operation number. Let's take this dictionary. I'm sorry. I'm not typing the code. If I type, it takes next year actually. Then call this rename method. This is the code we need to run. This is the code we need to run. Back to the session, we have prepared a dictionary. Daniel, this one is a column name. Okay, hold on. In pandas, I explain how to rename columns in a data frame. There are two ways. How many ways? Chaptara. First one, by using rename method. Second one, columns attribute. Good. That's what. That reason it will be helpful for you. Now df dot rename actually. Columns equals to what exactly, sir? D. Columns equals to D. You need to pass. Hold on. The next one. Man, did you remember in place equals to true? Yeah. In place equals to true means, Daniel, whenever you are calling rename method, it creates new data frame. I don't want new data frame. I wanted to apply changes on existing data frame. Apply in place actual. Apply what exactly? In place. Rishi, you are right, sir. You are right actually. You can just have to come here. You can run this piece of code actually. Yeah, take this one and you can run. And even take this, you can run actually. Wow. Data frame, sir, renamed actually. Renamed. How to check? Yeah, very good. By using head method, we can check actually. Df dot what exactly mean? Head method. Now here onwards, let me tell you. Head method, frequently we are going to call. Imagine some changes happen in the data frame, call a head method. Imagine some changes happen in the data frame, call a head method actually. Meeku ardhamayinda sir? Right, please make a note on this one. Call this one. Yes, the column names changed actually. Column names what exactly mean? Changed actually. We are good to go. We are good to go. After changing the column names, checking the new columns. Either you can call head method or else you wanted to print all columns in one shot. You can call a columns attribute. Attribute and call cheyochu. You can print one by one also. Let's check initial data. That's what I told. Head method frequently we used to call. Df dot what exactly? Head method actual. First 5 rows also. These are all valid terminology. Important from here. Now the operation will be checking the data types of columns. Checking the column data types. Checking column data type. Come on, get ready. Take this one. Did you remember how to check the column data types? Yeah, good boss. Now let me call here df dot d types actually. You need to call this attribute. You need to call this what exactly mean? Attribute. Let me call this df dot d types. The moment whenever you are calling, this is really great information. This is really great information. I'm sorry, it is not like a 1 or 2 minutes discussion. Here we are going to spend a lot of time actually. My system became a bit slow. Sir, are you ready? Good. What is a data frame, sir? I mean, what is a data frame name? DF. What is a D types actually? Attribute. Right. Now, what is the first column name? Let me tell you what is the meaning of project. When I was explaining about the pandas example, I explained like a chapter wise. What wise? Then I just executed and move on to the next topic. Executed and move on to the next topic. Project is not like that. Execute the step, try to do analysis actually. Try to do analysis. Okay. First one, what is the column name actually? Invoice underscore number. What is the data type? Quite interesting. Column name ending with number and the data type is object. Quite interesting actually. You need to find the reason. That is called as a data analysis. Are boss, column name ending with number, then I expected data type as an integer, but what data type you got actually? Any reason why? Any reason why? Reason ఏంటో చెప్తారా? Good, somebody is telling Karthik, if it is none, float supposed to become. Am I right? Somebody told actually. What exactly? Let me tell you, if it is having, మీరు guess చేయాలి actually. Imagine column number ending with, column name ending with the number. Exactly. Karim have given the nice answer actually. That data it can contain what exactly? Alphanumeric data. What data? Daniel, open the data set and show me that proof actually. Yeah, sure. Let me open the data set manually. This is called as a data analysis. You have to check manually. Order ID column, first column when I'm checking the data types, I'm expecting integer as a data type, but I got a object actually. How come it is possible? Simple. The reason is very simple. My system crying actually. Please be patient. Ayyo sir. X became. Oh. Good. Now what is the first column name? Talk with me. First column name is a order ID. So seems to be these are all numerical data only. Numerical data only. Numerical data only. Let us move on. Let us move on. Check here actually. Still numerical data. Numerical data. Now let me ask you a question. Total how many values? 5 lakhs actually. Get ready. You have to spend a time. That's what I told. Almost when you're talking about the data analysis, minimum 60% of the task we have to do by using pandas actually. Yeah, let's move on. చెప్పండి ఎక్కడన్నా స్ట్రింగ్ అని వేసే చెప్పండి. Did you see? Yeah, where actually? 143. Exactly this is the value. Sir, what it is having? Interesting. I mean to say, so-and-so person ordered product actually. So-and-so person what exactly? Ordered product. Imagine the product may be cancelled or else he may get a kind of some discount actually. Then later after getting discount also he cancel. What they done, if anyone cancel especially, they are making the transaction as a started with C letter. What letter, sir? Yeah, everything there is a meaning actually. Everything there is a meaning. That's why the data type name is what exactly, sir? The data type name is a object actually. Chappan sir, what is the data type name? Did you understand? The next one. What is the stock code actually? Talk with me. What is the stock code? Object also. You can open the data set and cross verify. Where is the stock code, man? Yeah, here is the second column. By default, starting value is the alphanumeric actually. It should be a object. It should be object actually. Tim, I hope you understand. I'm moving on with the discussion. Let me continue. Even I have call here also. Let me close this role, not required. This is not required. Okay, cool. Sir, we check these are all things. Description object, quantity integer, description object actually. Invoice date object. Sir, invoice date. What is the data type? By default, pandas don't know the date time. That's why it is providing what exactly? Object. Later, what we can do? We need to convert into. That's what separate chapter I have explained actually. Okay. The next one will be unit price. The value is a float. The next one will be customer ID. What is that one? Let me tell you. Customer ID, generally it will be represented with integer value. What value? But here we are getting a float. How come it is possible? Exactly. It is having none. That's called analysis. You have to guess actually, being a data analyst. Okay, it is having the missing value. What is the next one, sir? Country. Really? After calling the D types, in our PANDAS session, I just move on. Come on. Move on to the next step. Move on to the next step actually. But here we spend here some time. We understand each and every column actually. This analysis you need to do. This analysis you need to do. Let's move on with the next one. Sir, any idea what I'm doing actually? Data frame information. Daniel, I wanted to capture the data from information. It's a very simple df.info method we need to call. What method, sir? Info method you need to call. df.info method you need to call. Info method you need to call. All right, you can just try to come to Jupyter and here df. What exactly? Info method you need to call. Let's run this one actually. Wow, we already know. Whenever you are calling the info method will give lot of information. Info method will give what exactly? Lot of information. I hope you know. Yeah, the first one, it will talk about what is existing data type actually. The data type is a data frame. Team, total how many rows? 5,41,909. It's okay. And this one is what exactly, started from 0. That's what here 908 actually. The total 8 columns. Yeah, these are all respect to 8 columns. Index starts from, it is displaying. These are all 0, 1 to 7. These are all things actually. Listen carefully. I already told one thing. This number and this number should be matched. If it is not matching, having missing value. Having what exactly? Tim, did you remember? Whenever you are calling the info method, it will give the total number of value. If this value and this number is not matching, indirectly we are having missing data. We are having what data? Missing data actually. Missing data. Now let's do that. Take this one. Let us apply this. Come on, talk with me. Sir, the first one matching, no missing value. Second one matching, no missing value. Third one, talk with me. Sir, the data is missing here actually. What is the column name? Description. Please focus on this. Missing. Fourth one, quantity, no missing value. Invoice date, no missing value. Sir, unit price, no missing value. Customer ID, data is missing. Data is missing actually. What is the column name? Customer ID. And country, no missing value. Conclusion of this story, total 8 columns would you have. How many columns? Out of 8, 2 columns having the missing data. Out of 8 columns, 2 columns having what exactly? That is analysis. We need to recognize actually. That is what exactly? Analysis. Can I get a response from you? Good. That too, look at my screen. Sir, description, 5,40,000 on an average, small missing value. It's okay. On an average, how much it is missing, very less missing values actually. Very less quantity. But talk with me, customer ID, how many Any idea? More than 1 lakh missing customers. There is a more than 1 lakh customer data is missing actually. This is serious concern. We need to ask a client actually, the one who given this data. Now counter question, if the data is missing, why the data is missing? We need to counter question actually. We need to ask a question to the client. Then client will give the explanation actually. Right? Now let us continue. Hope you'll get an idea. Please make a note on this. You will get an idea. Come on. Sir, I wanted to check the missing value. How to check the missing value? Is null. I wanted to check the column wise count actually. How to check actually? df dot is null. Is any also you can use. Am I right? Either is null or else is any also you can use. Df dot is any you can use. I wanted to check the count also. So column wise count. Column wise what exactly count actually. Then you need to call a method. The method name is a Chappan sir. Df dot is any dot some method. We are good to go. Let me talk with the online team. Let me talk with the online team. So there is one question. Description has missing value, but why it is the data type is what exactly? Object. Instead of what exactly? Float. Sir, it should be object, sir. Why? Because it is a string data. What data? In a string data, if there is a missing value, we still having the data type is object only. We still having the data type is what exactly? Object only. This point we covered. This point we covered during PANDAS third topic actually. What topic mean? Third topic. The topic name is called as a NAN value. What value? That's what I request you. Do small revision. Do small revision. You will get an idea actually. Let's open the material. You can just have to go to the material. None value. Let me take here. Now I am planning to create a, here, if it all integer value, if you are having missing value, you will get a float actual. Now think like, these are all description, kind of some all string data, having missing value. It should be object. Siddiq sir, I need a response from you. Did you understand or not? Cool. Our material is the point of reference actually, if you are having any questions. Back to the session. Now, we are checking the missing value. First of all, are you following everyone? So simple, what I'm doing, instead of executing line by line, I'm showing the one template I already implemented actually. The template as a reference for you. Even I will upload the template actually. Though I already executed, you need to walk through first one. We need to run. Second cell, you need to run. Third cell, you need to run. The best way actually. That is really best way to execute all these examples actually. We can do sir. Okay. You can just try to come here. Maybe I need to checking missing values code I need to run actually. Yeah, Daniel, let me run the checking missing values code. How to run, df dot is an a. Yeah, it will return all, Boolean values actually. But who need Boolean values, man? I just need count of missing value. Talk with me. Df dot is an a dot some method. Wow, really very good, sir. Really very good actually. Df dot what exactly? Some method. Let us do small little analysis here actually. What is that little analysis, The moment whenever you are calling here, first of all, according to the column order, we are getting output actually, absolutely valid output. According to the column order actually. According to what order? What is the first column? Invoice number. What is the last column? Country. But let me tell you, Daniel, this output, can I transform into the next level? Can I transform into what exactly? Next level. I wanted to show this output to the client actually. How I'm planning to show, where there is a bigger number, this column I wanted to display as a first column. Why? Because, indirectly this operation is, I'm talking about missing value count. What count? Where the column is missing, especially that column I wanted to display top actually. Yeah, you can do that. There is a new operation for you. After second column, especially customer ID is a second column. Can you guess the next column actually? You connected actually. The next column should be what exactly? Description. Next column should be what exactly mean? Description. Remaining all columns as it is, that is still okay. Now what I'm planning is, what I'm doing, I'm planning to apply sorting technique. What technique? Over the data. Or what exactly? Data. మీకు అర్థమైందా సార్? By default, what sorting? Ascending order. What order? Ascending order actually. See, sir, first of all, it is a series, man. It is what exactly, sir? Series. Over this series, we are going to call sort underscore values method. What method? By default sorting technique, it will apply ascending order. But I wanted to display the data in according to the descending order. Then you need to apply this logic actually. Yeah, see. So we are getting these are all shape you are checking. Is null dot sum you are checking. This is we are good. Wow. There is a method. Method name is a sort underscore values. What is the method name, sir? Sort underscore values. We are good to go. Let me run this code. The moment whenever you are running, nice man, nice. We are transforming the result actually. But if you are displaying this one, sir, can I ask one question? If I am showing this output, which column you are seeing first actually? By default, our eyes goes to the first column. Then what is the need of that actually? It is the 0, 0, 0, 0. There is no use. Then what we need to do? Display the top number is the first actually. The display what exactly? Top number is the first. Very good. Then I wanted to show in a, this one is ascending order. Default what order, sir? Ascending order. Now I need a descending order. I need what order, sir? Descending order. To get a descending order, what we need to do, you just need to apply my favorite syntax. What is that? Ascending equals to false. One more time. Ascending equals to. We covered this step actually. In a data frame topic, the topic name is called as a sorting the data frame. What exactly? Sorting the data frame. Wow. Nice man. Seriously good output actually. Can I get a response from you? Almost what we done, first we call data frame. Next we call is underscore NA. On top of that result, we call sum method. On top of that result, we call sort underscore values. This is almost like, this is called as a method chain call. What call? Method chain. I mean to say here we are not calling one method. You are calling first method. On top of that, you are calling another method. On top of that, you are calling another method actually. You can call like this actually. Can I get a response from you? Yeah, good. In Telugu ఏమంటాం అంటే in Telugu there is a proverb. దెబ్బ మీద దెబ్బ కొట్టడం అంటాం కదా. Did you remember? Imagine you got some కాలికి దెబ్బ తగిలింది అనుకుందాం. ఎదురు దెబ్బ తగిలింది అనుకుందాం. Unfortunately గా మళ్ళీ దెబ్బ తగిలింది అనుకోండి. That is very painful. Here exactly we are doing. We got a result. On top of that result we are hitting again. On top of that result again we are hitting actually. Completely we are getting the final output. We are getting what output, sir? Final output. We are good to go. Let's take you, so one small recap actually. Go back, we are discussing about the project discussion. This one is a small recap. The very first step, we are importing the required libraries, loading the data set, finding the number of rows and columns actually, accessing first 5 rows. Next one, accessing last 5 rows, we can do by using tail method. Tail method or attributes, sir. Displaying the total number of columns from the data set. There is an attribute name is a columns. Getting all columns one by one. You need to apply for loop. The beauty with Jupyter, it will display colorful actual. It will display, but notepad, no color, no color. Color, what color, something like that. Okay. Did you play that game? Okay. So We never pay Naresh attack. Let's move on. Renaming a column. If you wanted to rename a column, you have to call a method. Method name is a rename method. Yeah, we need to apply, sir, my favorite syntax. Talk with me. Keyword arguments. That's very, very important. Wherever you go, keyword arguments will follow you. After you applied, I wanted to print all name of the columns, Daniel. Yeah, you can call, sir. Again, you need to call columns attribute actually. Man, I'm repeating again today. Dot notation is very, very important in total data science project. What notation? Dot notation. Either you wanted to call function from the module actually, use dot notation. PD dot read underscore CSV. Do you wanted to call attribute actually? Object name dot attribute name. Do you wanted to call method name? Object name dot method name. Dot notation is very, very important. Anta priority on the dot actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Make a note on this. After we have changed, Daniel, I wanted to see first initial data. You need to call head method. Next one, top 5 rows again head method. Data cleaning operation. That's what I told actually. D types. Checking the just to data types. The moment whenever you are checking the data type, it is returning all column names data types actually. Don't move on immediately. You need to spend some time. Open the data set. You need to observe actually. Is it matching or not? You need to observe actually. Meeku ardhamainda, sir? Good. Now the next one will be data from information. You need to call info method. Info method gives lot of insights. Info method will give lot of insights actually. This is something like you are completely getting the data from information. You can find the missing value. You can find the column names. You can find the total number of rows. You can find the count for the data types actually. Sir, many things we can do. Total size, what is the data frame? Chappan sir. 5 lakhs rows actually. What is the data frame size memory? Talk with me. 33 MB means there is one object created in our in our RAM actually in my computer. That object size is 33 MB, not a joke actually. There is an object size is 33 MB. Super actual. Make a note on this. Checking missing value. Checking what value? Missing value. Then we need to call a method. Method name is a isNull method. What method, sir? IsNull. Yeah. We are checking the missing values count. We are getting result like this actually. In PANDAS, I stopped here. Am I right? But in project, I have taken one extra step. What is that one? Let us apply sort. Let us apply. That's why. Based on requirement, we can move on actually. Why? Because, the moment whenever you are calling this one, not only your eye, even company CEO eye also, he can focus on only first column. By default, even you need to tell this, here is the missing value, here is the missing value. Don't guide actually. Not required. The moment when you apply sorting, ascending order, the moment when you applying ascending equals to false, we are getting what order actually? Descending order. Till now, I'm sure you are clear, I guess actually. Sir, meeku ardhamainda? Now, we are going to playing with one column. Column name is a? Yeah, get ready, sir. df dot d types. df dot what exactly? D types. Yeah, we already know. Invoice underscore data. The data type is an object actually. Sir, now I wanted to convert into date time data type. I wanted to convert into date time data type. That's what I covered 2 topics actually. Topic number 1, while loading. We already loaded actually. We loaded and we done hadavadi. Almost some operations we perform. Then don't go back there and you have to apply parse underscore. That's why in our material I have covered while loading. We already missed it actually. Do we have an option? We have an option. That option name is called as a after loaded. Otherwise, after a data frame created actually. What is that option? 2 underscore date time. Any other? Perfect, boss. Perfect actually. Yeah, good. That's what we are going to apply. Exactly. If I didn't cover date and time operation, you cannot understand what is going on here actually. That's the beauty. Our chapter connection actually. You need to understand, right? Converting this one into data. Siddiq sir, I hope you asked this actually. Now we are doing actually, right? Take this operation, move on. For me, explanation became very easy. Why? Because, here we spend almost 1 hour discussion. The total chapter I have explained more than 1 hour actually. That's what here I no need to put more effort actually. Okay, good. Sir, do you think data type changed actually? Do you think that the data type changed actually for this column? Talk with me, sir. Changed actually. Good, hold on. Left hand side, if you are able to see this, okay, I didn't run this one, I guess actually. Nen run chesana? Oh, that's what, okay. Good. Change it actually. Left hand side, if you are able to see this kind of syntax, 2 points you need to remember. First one, adding a column to the data frame. Point number one. While sorry man, evening time getting cough. I'm extremely sorry for inconvenience. While adding the column, if column name is already existing, what happens? Talk with me, boss. Old value will be replaced with, that's it. Very good actually. Right. Now, Daniel, the column name changed. I mean, column name data type changed actually. Let us cross verify D types. What exactly, sir? D types. Let us just have to run this. Exactly. You know, df dot what exactly? D types. And now you will get an idea actually. Can I get a response from you? Yeah, good. What is the data type mean? Invoice underscore dates. Invoice underscore what exactly? Dates actual. Date and time, data type. Go to the running notes. Till here we are very clear, I guess actually. Yeah. Next operation. Yeah, this is the confirm. After you have converted, after you have done conversion actually, print the data frame and you can just have to check the data frame. Yeah, look at the data frame. See the time format actually. Very nice. Nice time format you can see. But previously, check the data frame. Yo, sir, not up to the mark actually. Did you understand? Yeah. I mean to say, this is not properly printed actually. But after you converted date and time, it is nicely printing the date and time column actually. I hope you got a clear picture. Now the next topic we are going to focusing on description column. What column, sir? Description column. Description column. This is really quite interesting column. Description column. Till now, are you clear? Good. Go back and you can just try to check the here actually description. Let us check the description. Tim, let me tell you, this is something like a Amazon. Amazon have given the data. In Amazon given the data, there is a column name. Column name is a description. This description is nothing but a product description. What description? You know, whenever you're ordering any item over Amazon, and they will give some description. Sir, this is the so-and-so product like this. Let me tell you. You know about how to order in Amazon, right? Am I right or not, sir? Good. Let me tell you. And here, especially, I have two accounts in Amazon. One is customer account. The next one is merchant account actually. One is customer account. I am merchant also. What do you mean by that? My book is available in here actually, you know. So Python by Nirikshan. Why I'm telling this one, you know, the moment whenever I'm uploading this product, this one is with, you know, my name actually, Kasagani Nirikshan, my original name actually, right? So the moment whenever you are applying this one, automatically here we need to provide the description. Here we need to provide description. While uploading the product, Amazon will ask, give me the description. Then I have to prepare a description. I have to provide actually. Now here is the point. By default description is what I have provided actually. Lowercase. Talk with me, sir. Are you following your one? I'm repeating again. You can look at any product actually. For every product, the description should be what exactly mean? Lowercase. But when it comes to here, what case would you have actually? Uppercase. Then in between something happened. Imagine Amazon given the data. That data, somebody changed the data, I mean the nature actually. It is all, yeah, somebody changed the case especially. It all are kind of some lowercase, but who changed it in between, you know? There is a one team, that team name is called as a ETL team. What team, sir? ETL, extract, transform, load. So generally we can get this data from, not client directly, ETL team. They will apply kind of some operations. Do you wanted to know? Then did he uploaded one material project architecture actually? Meeku even upload chesana. Let me show you. I need your help. Somewhere project architecture document, if you are see, do let me know. Sorry, man. Somewhere I have seen. Ayyo. Good. This diagram is important, sir. This diagram is important. In a data science project, the first layer is the UI layer. What is the first layer? UI. I can talk later. What is UI? Next one is the middleware layer. The next one is a DB. What is a DB? The next one is a data warehouse. The next one is a cluster. The next one is a data scientist. We will get the data, and especially in between to the DB and data warehouse, one more team is available. The team name is called as a ETL developers. What developers? They will apply some operations over the data. They will apply some operations over what exactly? After they applied, that result will get actually. Now what they done, just for simply, they converted from lowercase to uppercase. They converted from lowercase to uppercase. Then what we need to do? Maintain unique case. Maintain what exactly? Unique case. Unique case. I will explain about this document later. You will get an idea. Every topic we have a material, man. Every topic we have a material actually. We have a material. All right. So maybe can I continue tomorrow? Is it okay? Let me. Don't miss tomorrow's session. I need your help. What all things I need to upload actually? Yesterday I have uploaded. Yes, sir. Yeah, open this, and here I need to upload the template. I need to upload data set. I need to upload. That's it, I guess. Yeah, good. Running notes also. If anyone is asking why you are uploading zip file instead of direct file, then my answer will be you are not done pandas practice. You are not done. అర్థం సార్ పాండాస్లో మొత్తం నేను ఏం అప్లోడ్ చేశాను. Yeah. Sorry for kidding. You guys are good guys, man. Never ask any question actually. Yeah. I done, I guess, actually, right? I upload up to date. Thank you, man. You kindly please make a note actually. One small point, hold on. Don't click HTML file and don't try to see actually. If you are clicking on a HTML file, it will display some different code actually. So you have to download and you have to see. HTML file template I have uploaded actually. Don't text me also. I mean to say that, sir, you uploaded HTML, but we are getting some different file actually. Download and you can see. Meeku ardhamayinda, sir? Yeah, please. All right, then we're done for today's session. Thank you. Let's